And then we have Dame Anne-Marie, and she's a better woman to tell you about what she does than I am. So go ahead.
Good morning. So I work with a Lecher antenna, which is this instrument. And today I will be doing treatments with the Lecher antenna, but also with specific colors. And I brought some Schussler salts as well today. And I'm also selling my books. This is just 2 of my books there. And I have some crystals to reduce electromagnetic radiation of your phone, or to reduce the influence of the electromagnetic radiation on your body.
Great, wonderful. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Yep, so Anne-Marie's here